Hello students, good morning. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about festival, that is Harvest Festival. Harvest Festival, especially this festival belongs to peasants, farmers who grow crops. As we know, India is the country of villages, and the economy of India is based on agriculture. More than 62% population is engaged in agricultural activities in India, and agriculture is called the backbone of our economy. So harvest festival, harvest is the time harvest is the time when crops are ripe and ready to gathered by farmers in their field. हार्वेस्ट टाइम ऐसा टाइम होता है बेटा जिस समय फसल कटती है और हम किसान अपनी फसलों को इकट्ठा करके अपने घर में लेके आते हैं। तो ये उनके लिए एक एंजॉइंग मोमेंट होता है, क्योंकि उनकी जो कठिन परिश्रम होता है, जो वर्क हार्ड वो करते हैं, उसको अब घर के अंदर लेके आने का समय होता है। सो celebrating this joy and this happiness, they celebrate their happiness in the form of festival that is called harvest festival. Harvest festival, it is the time when crops are ripe मतलब होता है बेटा पकना, ripe and ready to be gathered by farmers in their fields. Farmer work hard throughout the year to grow crops. So we will discuss here about different harvest festival is celebrated in different states. The name is others, but motto and the purpose is common, that is celebrate their happiness. First of all, we will discuss about Baisakhi. Baisakhi is a harvest festival of northern India. Baisakhi is the festival of northern India, celebrated especially in Punjab and Haryana. Keep in mind, this is the harvest festival, and is celebrated in northern part of India, especially in Punjab and Haryana. Men perform Bhangra and women perform Gidda. Both are the folk dance. Folk dance means group dance. Fairs means मेले are held in towns. कस्बों में मेला लगता है इस दिन, and villages और गाँवों में भी. The festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm. बेटा, this festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm means बहुत ही बड़े उमंग के साथ इसको सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, उमंग और उत्साह के साथ, enthusiasm, उत्साह. So it's all about the harvest festival Baisakhi. And next is Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. It is related with Assam. Keep in mind, it is important for you. Big bonfires, singing and dancing are part of the celebration. In Bihu, people used to dance around big bonfires. Singing, dancing are part of the celebration. In this festival, people used to sing and dance Onam Harvest Festival of Kerala. Onam Harvest Festival of Kerala. It is the Harvest Festival of Kerala. The capital is Thiruvananthapuram. It is celebrated to honor King Mahabali. It is celebrated to honor King Mahabali. Beta, there was the king in Kerala. There was the King Mahabali, who is worshipped as a god, and he is going to be above the god. वो भगवान से भी ऊपर होने जा रहे थे, मीन्स भगवान का दर्जा उनको मिलने जा रहा था। तो उनको महाबली जो ये फेस्टिवल है सेलिब्रेटेड टू ऑनर द किंग महाबली, महाबली के ऑनर में इसको सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। दिस कलरफुल फेस्टिवल इज फेमस फॉर द बोट रेसेस and boat races held during this time. At this time boat races are there, means नाव की जो बोट होते हैं, नाव होती है, उसकी रेस होती है। People wear new clothes and prepare a special meal called Onam Shadya. The special meal is called Onam Sadhya. It is the special meal of Onam. Next is Pongal, Harvest Festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Keep in mind, it is celebrated for 3 days. It is celebrated for 3 days. ये 3 दिनों तक मनाया जाता है। The sun god is worshipped. इसमें सूर्य भगवान की पूजा की जाती है। People draw columns to decorate their houses and courtyard. Column, just as a rangoli, people used to draw to decorate their houses and courtyards. Cattle are washed, painted and decorated with garlands. Cattle are washed, painted means जो जानवर होते हैं उनको धुल करके उनको पेंट किया जाता है और उनको माला पहनाई जाती है। garlands means माला पहनाना। They are fed the pongal rice and the cattle are fed by the pongal rice. So dear student, it's all about the harvest festival, main harvest festival of our country. And now we will see some important birthdays. So first birthday is Teachers Day. This birthday is celebrated. This day is celebrated the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher. He was a great teacher. Children now show their love and respect for teachers on this day. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day in the memory on the birthday occasion of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and he was the second president of India and he was a great teacher. And next is Children's Day. All you know about it. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our country. He loved children. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. बच्चे भी चाचा नेहरू से बहुत प्यार करते थे और प्यार से उनको बुलाते थे चाचा. And next is Buddha Purnima. The birthday of Buddha Purnima is the birthday of Lord Buddha. It is the birthday of Lord Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Buddhist, the followers of Lord Buddha assemble in the temple. वो अब मंदिर में इकट्ठा होते हैं. And offer prayer. प्रार्थना करते हैं. People distribute gifts to the poor. On this day, on Buddha Purnima, people used to distribute gifts and sweets to the poor. They promised to follow peace and kindness throughout the life. And they promised to follow peace and kindness. It was the main principle of Buddhist religion. So, and last one is Mahavir Jayanti, the birthday of Lord Mahavira. He was the last Tirthankara of the Jain sect. Mahavira or statue of Lord Mahavira are bathed. People gathered to offer prayer and distribute things to needy. On this day, people used to distribute gifts and things to the needy and poor people. Though we may belong to different religion and they celebrate different festival, we share a common bond. We all are Indians. Dear student, as I told you before that we have different religion, different caste, creed, and so many diversities are there. But after having all these diversity, one thing is common, that we all are Indian. So keep in keep on watching my video. Be careful about your health and complete your work in your notebook and prepare yourself for the half yearly exam. Thank you.